Hey people, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I am gonna boil some cornmeal porridge. So I'm using this pot. This pot is ideal to boil cornmeal porridge. So in the pot is 1 cup of water. To the water I am gonna add a few cinnamon leaves, and I'm gonna cover the pot and allow the cinnamon leaves to boil for like 5 minutes, and this is to infuse the flavor from the cinnamon leaves into the water. In this container is 1/2 cup of refined cornmeal. Make sure that you use refined cornmeal because it takes a shorter time to cook. To the cornmeal I am just gonna add a pinch of salt, which is about 1/8 teaspoon. More salt will be added to the porridge, but I like when my cornmeal porridge boil with salt. So this porridge is for 3 people into a smooth. I am adding water to the cornmeal, mixing the cornmeal into a smooth paste. Make sure that you don't have dry cornmeal at the corners of the container. You want the cornmeal to mix properly into a smooth paste, free of lumps. So to the cornmeal I am gonna add just a little bit of boiling water that I removed from the pot, and this method is called tempered. Yes, I'm bringing the cornmeal up to the same temperature as the boiling water so that when it goes into the pot it will not lump as quickly, or no lumps at all. Sometimes you will get it lump up, but not as much as when you don't temper it. So it has been 5 minutes since the cinnamon leaves are boiling into the water. So I am gonna fish out the cinnamon leaves because I don't really need them. Sometimes I let them remain, and sometimes I remove them. In this case I am gonna remove them because the flavor is already infused into the water. So now I'm gonna add the cornmeal to the pot, and I am not using a wooden spoon because I do not like to use a wooden spoon. Also I am not using stainless steel pot because stainless steel pot do not cook the food with flavor. When I use stainless steel pot, and I'm talking about the stainless steel pots that I purchased from a company overseas, whenever I use them cook, the food has no flavor whatsoever. So this is 2 cups of coconut milk that I'm now adding to the porridge. the heat is on low because I normally cook my porridge on low heat, and I'm gonna let it cook for a minute and see if it needs more water. It has been 15 minutes and the consistency of the porridge look like this, and this is how I want it. Not too thick, not too runny. So I'm just gonna give it around 5-6 minutes more. So in the meantime, I am gonna mix this instant enriched milk powder with a small amount of water. So I'm gonna mix it to a smooth paste. This is what people put in their porridge in Jamaica traditionally. A lot of people stop using it and use cow's milk, but for me, basically this is the best way to make cornmeal porridge. Let's have a look at the porridge. It has been 25 minutes and the porridge is fully cooked. This is the consistency that I like. Like I said, it's not too thick and not too runny. So now I am gonna add the last milk powder. Give it a stir. And this is what we use to give the porridge a creamy look. So I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to now sweeten the porridge. So I'm going to sweeten the porridge. Sweeten to suit your taste. I'm using sweetened condensed milk. Some people put sugar. I do not put sugar into my porridge. I don't use sugar to sweeten my porridge. So I'm gonna use just a, I'm gonna put just a tiny amount of salt because I already added about 1/8 teaspoon of salt, but the porridge needs more salt, so about that is okay. And then I am gonna put about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, not nutmeg. This is what vanilla. So that's 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Sweeten and add the spices. Gonna give it like a taste test. Right, the only thing that is missing is nutmeg, so I'm gonna add that right now. So I'm gonna add just a small amount of nutmeg to my porridge because I don't like when a lot of nutmeg is added to the porridge. Feel free to add the amount that you want to add, but for me this amount is okay, which is like less than 1/8 teaspoon. So this is it, traditional. And this black thing that you're looking at, it is from the nutmeg, right? It's the nutmeg, let me tell you that. So this is my traditional cornmeal porridge.